easy technology fans, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing y'all how to connect your AirPods to a Windows 11 PC or laptop, or you can connect a Samsung Galaxy Buds. Anything that has Bluetooth, I'll show you how to connect it right now. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is turn on Bluetooth on your Windows 11. So first thing you have to do is choose this arrow on the bottom right where it says show hidden icons, and simply choose this Bluetooth icon over here. If it does not show that Bluetooth icon, then there are two reasons why it wouldn't show. One is you have Bluetooth turned off, and the second reason would be if your computer does not support Bluetooth at all. So in order to turn it on, if it doesn't show there, go to the start menu and then go to settings and simply choose Bluetooth and devices. You would see this if your computer does support Bluetooth. And once you're on this page, make sure to turn on Bluetooth. So it'll say Bluetooth, make sure to toggle that on, and you probably would see the icon again over here. So from here, you would right click and choose Open Settings. It'll take you to this page. And next, what you want to do is connect the AirPods to your Windows 11 PC. So under Devices, go ahead and simply choose Add Device. And then we're going to turn on your AirPods now. So connect your AirPods, turn them on, and put them on pairing mode. And there's a button you need to press on the back of it. So press that button, turn them on. And for Galaxy Buds, you would just take them off, remove them from your case, and then it'll turn on. From here, go ahead and choose Bluetooth, and it's going to look for the device. Alright, and once your device searches for the Bluetooth device, you would find it over here available. So you would simply choose that one that's yours. Mine would be Galaxy Buds. Simply choose that and it'll connect to it. And you would hear it Samsung Buds or your AirPods that it has been connected. You would hear a little beep, and as you can see, it says connected voice or music. Choose done. And then that's all you have to do. So as you can see, it says connected voice music. It's charged fully at 100%. And now if you play anything from your computer, you would automatically hear it on your device, or you would hear it directly from the AirPods. Alright, that concludes my tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to like this video, share it with all your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.